Hello guys, so in this video we have an unboxing XPS 2019, and in a separated video I'm going to show you the accessories that I purchased, especially this adapter that you need to purchase when you have this XPS. And So let's just jump right into this video and unboxing XPS. So here we have the price and the performance of this XPS. So with the price, it's around 1,200 euro. And the performance, actually, I bought the highest one. So we do have the i7 core, 16 gigaoctet of memory, and then we do have the 1 tera capacity. So I did have, well, actually, I did have the choice between the older XPS of 2019 or the newest one. So I went for more capacity with the 2019 XPS instead of having the new one with less capacity. So let's pause a little bit about the unboxing, and as you can see here, we do have our laptop. So first impression, when you open it, actually it's of course it's a very nice, we do have it's very nice and beautiful design, but the weight of this laptop, it's so it's actually one of the reasons why I bought this laptop, because I do travel a lot and this is perfect for me. And then here we have like the impression of first opening this laptop. It was a little bit tricky because I get used to the Surface Pro. You do need to press and voila, here we do have our laptop. It's as I said, it's light laptop, and we do have some plugins, two on the side and just one for on the other side. So here very quickly I'm going to show you how we gonna configure you know, the configuration process for the first purchases. So very quickly we gonna have like two examples, but then you do have more steps just to show you how we do have, I mean, how we do it. So here we do have the first questions or steps that we need to follow. So actually, it's very intuitive. So you're gonna have two options. Either you do follow the steps or you do follow Cortana. And yeah, just follow the steps.
Bonjour, je suis Cortana et je suis là pour vous aider. Une connexion, un peu de Wi-Fi et nous en aurons fini avec la mise en service de votre PC.
So you need internet connection.
Utilisez votre voix ou votre clavier tout au long du processus. Si
And
vous voulez que je reste silencieuse, il vous suffit de sélectionner l'icône du micro dans le bas de votre écran.
and you can of course turn
Si
off the
vous avez besoin
voice.
d'une aide sous la forme d'un lecteur d'écran, appuyez sur les touches Windows, CTRL et Entrée en même temps pour activer le narrateur.
And just follow the steps. So first, we do just have two examples. Here we're
La
gonna
région
select the country.
sélectionnée Pays-Bas. Est-ce bien ça?
Non.
Quelle région voulez-vous utiliser?
So you select your country and
France.
then you move on to the next
J'ai
step.
compris que vous voulez utiliser la région France. Est-ce
Basically, you just need another
votre clavier est
configuration,
configuré en français? Est-ce bien ce
and
que
it's
vous
very
voulez?
quick.
Faites-vous aussi votre saisie avec une autre disposition de clavier?
So yeah,
Maintenant, nous allons vous connecter
let's
à
move on to the battery lifetime. So I think, as far as I remember, it was like after 3 or 4 hours of use, we do have like around the half of the battery went out. And then at the evening late, I had from 46% to 28% of a battery. So I did the track here in order to have an idea about the life time battery. And very late, no, I actually did leave the laptop open, and on the morning at around 9:20 a.m. I had 6% of a battery left, and then I charged it. It took me, I believe, around 2 hours in order to have it almost fully charged. And then here we have the fully charged picture of the laptop. So that's it for this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Don't forget to go and check the second video about the accessory, the external battery, and especially the adapter that you really need to have when you purchase this XPS. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a comment if you do have any question or comment. Thank you so much and bye.